my lovable armies. So, the introduction of the permutation and combination, in that you have given me a very good support. So, today we will be solving the questions based on permutation. We will be having like different types of models of questions in permutation. So, let's see like one by one. What is the different types of questions? First one is non-repetition of letters. Non-repetition. Non-repetition of letters means what? If a word is given to you, imagine, take it as quality. Q-U-A-L-I-T-Y. So in the word quality, we cannot see any letter which is getting repeated. So how to solve these types of questions? I'll give you some 2 or 3 methods for solving these questions. First method is based on formula. Formula for permutation is what? N P R is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. So n is what here now? Total given thing, and r is the condition. So what is the total number of given letters in this? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7p. Now r is what? Condition. It means for arranging a 7-letter word, we need how many places? We need 7 places to arrange 7-letter word. So r will also be 7. Now 7 factorial by 7 minus 7 factorial. Okay. So what is 7 factorial value? Factorial means what? Reducing the number till 1. It means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Divided by 7 minus 7, 0 factorial. So what is 7 factorial value? 5040. And 0 factorial is 1. So my answer is what? 5040. Means in 5040 ways we can arrange the letters of the word quality. Okay. So what is the one more method I'll give you. See what is happening internally. For arranging 7-letter word, we need how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 places we need. So in first place, what are the letters which can come? Or what are the letters which can satisfy? Q, U, A, L, I, T, Y. Totally 7 letters can come. Imagine that we have placed here Q in first place. Now how many letters are remaining with us? U, A, L, I, T, Y. Okay. It means in second place, totally 6 letters can satisfy one among the 6 letters, whatever it is. Okay. Imagine that we have placed here U. Now what are the other letters which we are left with? A, L, I, T, Y. So how many letters we have? 5. Again, imagine we have placed A here. Now, how many letters we have again? We have L, I, T, Y. Means in this place, totally 4 letters can satisfy. L we have placed here. Now again, I, T, Y. Totally 3 letters. We have placed I here. Now how many letters we are left with? T, Y. 2 letters can come. That is T if we have placed here. Now only 1 letter can come. Which is that letter? Y. So in first place 7 letters can satisfy. Second 6. Third 5. Fourth 4 letters. In fifth 3 letters. In sixth 2 letters. Again in seventh 1 letter can satisfy. So what is happening here? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Totally 5040. Okay. This is another method for solving the questions of non-repetition letters. Okay. Now, I'll give you one more method. One of the easiest method for non-repetition letters. What is the letters which is given to you? Quality. Q-U-A-L-I-T-Y. So, what is my first step is count the number of letters. Count the number of letters. How many letters we have? 7. Now second step is what? That much factorial. That much factorial will be the answer. That's all. Simple. So how many letters we have in these letters of the word quality? Totally 7. That much factorial means 7 factorial, which is equal to 5040. So can you see? For solving one question, that is, in how many different ways you can arrange the letters of the word. Any word it can be. Here we have taken the word quality. So we have seen three different solution for the same question. Okay, so this is the first model in the permutation question. So if you like this video or if you want any more tricks like this, please do support us, refer to your friends, and without fail like, comment, so that it will motivate me to create more such videos like this for you.